Welcome to the Eagle News. I'm Ainsley and today is January 30th and it is a C Day. Lunch. Tomorrow's lunch will be pizza. Oh my, I want my lunch already. Guest speakers. Today will be Bob the Builder's 67th cousin, Mr. Johnson.
Hello Eagles, welcome to Eagle News here, Mr. J. It's Thursday, January 30th. Happy birthday today to Tegan Burke in-house Duende. We have Kyan Copeland and Alexander Burnett in-house Mudita and Scarlett Sundberg in-house Kefi. Happy birthday today. So this is a very short week, guys. We're only here today and tomorrow. So we have a list of things that are actually going on. So today, students, is the last day of the second 9 weeks and first semester. So that means report cards will be coming out for the second 9 weeks. That's going to be issued on next Friday. So half of the school year is already behind us. Also, you're going to be having tomorrow, we'll start the third 9 weeks and the second semester. So for some students, you will be switching some of your encore classes if they were a semester-based class, and that's going to take place tomorrow. Our cereal drive was extended. It's going to go till tomorrow due to us being out a few days last week. So keep bringing those cereal boxes on in. We also have an all A's ceremony. That's actually going to be next Monday. We're going to be celebrating students who made all A's from last school year. So we're talking the year before. So if you're a fourth grader, if you received all A's in third grade, we're going to be celebrating you. So it's all about the previous year. We have mailed out invitations to those students and families who have earned this prestigious award. But anyways, tomorrow we're going to be having a practice. So your teachers have the list of students who are participating in this, and plus if you received an invitation, you also will be coming down. So we're going to have a brief little practice tomorrow. The actual ceremony is going to take place on Monday. So tomorrow, fourth grade, you're going to come down to the auditorium at 9:15 in the morning. Fifth grade at 10 and sixth grade at 10:45. So probably no longer than 30 minutes for a quick little practice before the ceremony next Monday. And if you have been at Westside in previous years, we have had SOAR Awards. Well, SOAR Awards are returning. We had to get a few things in order before we could begin our SOAR Awards. So our SOAR Awards are coming back in just a couple of weeks. And if you're not sure what a SOAR Award is, well, it's a positive referral. So instead of getting a negative referral, coming to our offices and receiving discipline, here is something positive where we celebrate you. If you've ever been in the front four, you see all the names that are written in a chalkboard. That's our wall of distinction, and you can earn an awesome prize. So anyways, we're talking about that as that comes a little bit closer. So cereal drive right now, we've raised almost 500 boxes of cereal. Let's go West Side. But right now, I still see House Mudita at the top right now with 186 boxes. And we need you to win, Mudita, because that could possibly get you right back into our challenges here in our houses. If we take a look at our grand total, I'd watch out, Miss Davis. You got Miss Race's class at 120 boxes, and Miss Gerger's class at almost 90 boxes as well. This ends tomorrow. So real quickly, going down a list of houses here. All houses are going to increase except for Kefi. So Duende is going to 3, Mudita is going to 3, and Julia will be at 1 day. Now let's go Mudita. Here we go. Let's get the cereal box drive. Let's start getting our consecutive days, start getting 5 days, so we can get our Eagle Magic, get our bonus house spins in there and bonus points, and get you guys caught on back up. So Mudita, remember your high score this year is 5. So you're only 2 days away from possibly tying that record. And the end of the month is Friday. So, of course, whichever house has the most hearts will receive the most bonus spins. So we have a long tie here between Kefi, Mudita, and Julia. Let's see who wants a little bit more. Remember, once you get that Eagle Magic, you're going to come on down, and we're going to put those bonus spins also in there with you. So stamina meter is going to be the same. Of course, let's get some more Eagle Magic going on out there. Sportsmanship is the same. Now, what I did here was I actually went on and I actually want to do a little bit of some math to show you how many points you are from the house in front of you. So if you are House Mudita, for example, you're not drastically going to go from last place to first place. The first thing Mudita wants to do is I want to take a look at Kefi. I want to know how many points I'm away from Kefi, and let's get to third place. Once I get into third place, well, then I'm going to look at the person in second place, and I'm going to take over that and slowly step up and get back into first place. Because, yeah, we're about halfway through the school year here on Friday, so this is the end here. We're coming quickly. I see House Duende Duende, you were the champions last year. House Mudita, you were the champions the very first year we did houses, and then Julia was in the middle. Kefi, you're the only house right now that has not won the house championship. I'd love to see Kefi get in there and get that on your badge and a banner hanging out front. So right now, House Mudita, you can see it right there. You can see you're over 2,000 points away from first place. We're not going to focus on that. We're not really even going to be focusing on Julia there at over 1,000 points. I'm focusing on Kefi. I'm about 900 points away from House Kefi, and I can take over third place. Now, if I'm House Kefi, obviously, I'm focusing here on House Julia. How far away am I? 153 points away, and you're in second place. There you go. But you're a little more than 1,000 points away from first place. Now, obviously, if I'm Julia, I'm focusing on the person right there in front of me. That's Duende, and I'm 900 and some points away from first place. So let's go. Let's see if someone can catch up to Duende. Duende's been sitting there almost all school year in first place. So students, make it a great day or not. Choice yours. We love you, and leave a legacy.
Weather. Today's weather will be mostly sunny skies with a high around 45 degrees. Announcement. Next week is School Counselors Week. Make sure to thank our counselors for helping us thrive. Joke. What's the worst thing that can happen on a Friday?
What?
When you realize it's a Thursday. Sadly, this is the end, but make sure to leave a legacy and have a snowy day. Bye, Eagles.
Bye, Eagles.